Good morning, everyone. Respected principal sir, learned teachers, present guests, and present everyone. First of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day. What does it mean? Republic Day in India means the celebration of the day Indian Constitution came into effect. We all know that our country got independence on 15th August 1947. Before it, we were the slave of the Britishers. We had to follow the orders of the Britishers. But after independence, after 15th August 1947, we were not under the control of the Britishers. We were our own masters. But suppose if we are not under anyone's control, if someone is not under anyone's control, if someone is not under any law or any rule, then what will happen? We will do whatever we like. There will be chaos all around. There will be disorder in the society. So the constitution was made. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete it. And it was completed on 26th November 1949. And as we all know that on 26th November we celebrate the Constitution Day. And our constitution was implemented after 2 months on 26th January 1950. So from 26th January 1950, we are under the control of our constitution. Now we have to follow the constitution. Now let's understand what is a constitution. A constitution is like a rule book for a country. It tells us that how our country should be run. It gives us our rights and tells us our duties. In our Indian constitution, we have been given some rights. Like we have the right of education, we have the right of equality, we have the right to express our thoughts and opinions, and we have the right of property. Similarly, we have been given some duties also. Just as we have to respect our national anthem and national flag. We have to respect and honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. We have to respect and obey the government, the law and the police. We have to respect every person of any background, whether he is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or Christian. And we have to protect our environment and public property. So these are our duties. So our constitution gives us some rights and some duties. On this day, we can't forget Baba Sahib Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, the chief architect of our constitution. He was the chairman of the drafting committee of constitution, and under his guidance and supervision, the constitution was drafted. Dear students, we always say we love our country, but what if I ask you, where is our country? Remember, the nation is not separate from us. It's not something far away. The nation lives in the people around us, in our classmates, our teachers, our parents, and in every single person we meet every day. Helping them, respecting them, caring for them is the true service to our country. Dear students, when you listen carefully in class, when you respect your teacher, when you speak politely, when you obey the rules, when no one is watching you, and when you develop good habits, you are truly living the Constitution. Because the Constitution doesn't live in books or buildings. It lives in the character of its people. A strong nation is not built only by intelligence or success, but by strong values and strong character. So, today on this proud occasion of Republic Day, let's take a small but meaningful pledge to improve our habits, to respect our elders, to help the people around us, and to become better human beings. Because if we become better, our society becomes better. If society becomes better, then our nation becomes stronger. And we have to make our nation strong. We have to take India in advancement, whether any field. It's healthcare, medical, education, technology. In every field, we have to take our nation ahead.